How do I know if I have a deviated septum? Meaning that you won't be able to breathe very well. Sometimes you're gonna, when you're at home with your significant other is gonna say, oh my God, you snore too much. I cannot sleep. Like things like that. Those are functional problems that you may have. What you're also gonna be able to see when you look in the mirror is you're gonna see that your nose is not straight. Sometimes it can go this way. Sometimes it can go this way. Sometimes you can get what is called a C deformity. It kind of looks like that. Sometimes you can get what it's called an S deformity, meaning your septum is going to go like that. You look this way and you're going to notice that your septum, instead of being straight and having two nostrils that are kind of the same side, they're never the same, you're going to notice that your septum may go one side or the other. Obviously, when you come to see us, we're going to look inside and we're going to be able to determine that or not.